In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your Next.js app locally and get it up and running on Hostinger step by step. We'll cover everything from the initial setup on your computer all the way to configuring your domain and testing your live site. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you need to have a Next.js app ready on your local machine. If you haven't installed Next.js before, you can easily set it up using Node.js and npm. Once you've got everything ready, and your app is functioning as expected locally, the next step is to prepare your app for deployment. Next.js provides a handy command called NextExport that allows you to export your app to static HTML files. This is particularly useful when you're deploying to a platform that serves static files. Run the command NextExport in your terminal. This will generate a folder named out in your project directory. This folder contains all the static assets of your application, including HTML pages, JavaScript files, and other necessary resources. With your static files ready, it's time to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to register and choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Hostinger hPanel is intuitive and helps streamline the deployment process. Once logged in, navigate to the file manager. Alternatively, you can use an FTP client if you're comfortable with that. But for simplicity's sake, we'll focus on using the file manager today. In the file manager, locate the public/HTML directory. This is the root directory where all your web files for your main domain reside. Now, you'll want to upload the contents of your out folder here. You can do this by dragging and dropping the files directly into this directory. After you've uploaded your exported files, it's important to configure your domain to point to these static files. In hPanel, go to the domain section to ensure your domain points correctly. You might need to set up or verify DNS records, such as the A record, to make sure your domain is correctly configured with Hostinger's server. Finally, you want to test your website. Type your domain name into a web browser to see if your site loads properly. Ensure all links and resources on your site are functioning as expected. Take the time to click through your site and look for any issues that might not have been apparent in the local environment. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully built and deployed your Next.js app with Hostinger. If you run into any issues, always check for console errors in your browser and make sure all your files were uploaded correctly. Hostinger's support resources can also be invaluable if you need further assistance. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you successfully deploy your Next.js application. See you in the next video.